It's nice now, but I will say we're expecting some changes. We're just sliding past your dad joke right there and talking about the forecast. I'm going to be thinking about that one for a little bit, Samantha. All right, increasing rain chances mean isolated rain later this afternoon. Coverage is going to build through this week as well. I'm expecting increasing rain chances through Wednesday, get up to 60% coverage. Hold on to that through the weekend. Overall today, I'm not expecting everyone to see rain. Our coverage is limited, 30% coverage at its peak. And look, I mean, in terms of rainfall potential, not a lot of accumulation is expected as a whole. Now, I will say there will be some spots that locally will see higher than a 1/10 or a 100th of an inch of rain, but this is not the main event when it comes to rain chances for us this week, really whatsoever. It's just an increase from the wonderful day that we had yesterday. 20% coverage by about 3 o'clock this afternoon, 30% coverage by 6. It's a later rain chance for us. We're not expecting to start quite as early, and that means there's plenty of time for us to really warm up this afternoon. If you look at our forecast for today, our average high is 91. We will likely be above that in most spots. 94 is the high temperature that I have for Fort Myers, and this isn't record-breaking heat, but it is an increase from yesterday. And when you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel even hotter outside, feeling like closer to 100 degrees for us this afternoon. Let's take a look at your futurecast, because like I said, this rain chance is an increase from what we saw yesterday. Models are trying to hint at a little bit of coverage, trying to creep in from the east late morning. I'm not too set on that happening for us, but by 2:30, maybe we get a cell down towards coastal Collier County. That's by 6 o'clock. Not seeing a lot of rain, at least according to this model, but we could see some reinforcements later on tonight. That's 9 o'clock up towards northern Lee County, even the Cape getting a little bit of rain as you're trying to go to sleep this Sunday night and then head into the work week as well. I do want to walk you through your 7-day forecast because there's a lot going on. At least it appears that way. But let me make it clear. What you can expect in the short term, at least from today to tomorrow, it's going to be even warmer on Monday. Our rain chance bumps up, but only 10% in terms of coverage. We hold on to that 40% chance for Tuesday. And then by midweek, that's when we see things sort of plateau in terms of rain chances, plateauing at a 60% chance of rain. But our temperatures will start to fall as those rain chances hold on to that 60% coverage. I have us in the upper 80s by the time we get to the end of this next week and into the weekend as well in terms of our high temperature. Just another look at those rain chances just continuing to climb through the work week as well. That's because a surge of tropical moisture is headed our way, and that's going to help reinforce our rain chances. What we're watching out for in the Gulf, though, is will an area of low pressure form there as well, because that could sort of organize those rain chances a little bit more, help to steer that tropical moisture in the right direction, and bump our rainfall totals. As of right now, here's what we're thinking. We're going to get a range. I think 2 to 4 inches is a good estimate. We will locally see some higher amounts just because of the setup that we have. But what do you think of it? Sometimes some places get that much with the typical rainy season setup if they're the spot that's favored to see development each and every day in terms of those afternoon showers and storms. So nothing to freak out about, just increasing rain chances as we move through the work week and increasing humidity too, which is going to make it feel even hotter outside as we move through the work week. That's a look at your Gulf Coast weather most accurate forecast.